Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the final session of this playwright journey where we will attach the complete Allure report to our framework. Okay, so for that we have few steps. I think I've written. Okay, I'll remove it. What I'll do next is I will go to VS Code and here I need to execute few commands. So the first command is npm install -d allure hyphen playwright. Okay, so it will add one Allure playwright dependency into my backlight.json. So if you can see, it added. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have to do after implementing after hitting any command. Though the next one is, as I have added this Allure report, I have to go to the playwright config.js, and under this configuration I need to add that reporter. Okay, reporter column. And what are the report that I want to add? A list and Allure Playwright, right? So reporter equal to, I will give it a comma over here. Okay, so what are the reporter that I want to add? One is I want to give in the list by one I want to get the report. So for that I want to write as in a single quote, I'll write list. Okay, then what next? The Allure Playwright. Okay, so for that I need to add one more, that is Allure, Allure hyphen Playwright. This is the thing that you have to add in the config.js. Okay, so then next you have to also add few more dependency, that is npm install -g allure command line. This one to have to execute after adding your, again you have to verify, change one package in 4 seconds. Okay, I think it's already there. It's just change something. Okay, and after that you have to execute the last command. Like you have to mm, like if you want to have the Allure report, then that is it. These are the things that you have to do. So let's go to the here. Okay, I can. Okay, leave it. That's it. We have to add. Okay, so what is the next thing that we have to do is just okay. Let me do one quick things, one custom script. So have you ever heard of this custom script? So what is custom script? It's already this is one of the most important concept in uh, every JavaScript based project. So custom script is this one. Okay. So what I'll do over here, I will add few custom scripts into this. That is, I will write test and I'll write column, and here I will write npx playwright test. So what exactly it will do? So if instead of we are what exactly we are doing, always writing npx playwright test, right? Npx playwright test. So every time we used to hit this, and our test case will get executed. So custom script what will do? If I'll write scripts, I will go to packaging and another script section. If I'll write test colon npix playwright test, then you don't need to hit this command again and again. Instead of that, you can write npm run test. It will execute. See, it will execute the same thing. Npx playwright test, because it will go to the package.json and you can see, and it will execute the same test cases. Okay, this is how you can run. That is npm run test. Okay, so what we can do, we can create a custom script. Okay, so what I'll do, I will to generate the Allure report, I will add one thing, that is Allure. Mm, okay, allure hyphen generate. Okay, allure hyphen generate. So what we'll do over here, we will add one command which will generate the report. Okay, so to generate the Allure report, you have to add one command, that is Allure generate where Allure result. So what it will do, it will generate the Allure report in the Allure result. Okay, after that, what it will do, it will open that clean hyphen O, I think, and Allure hyphen report. Okay, so what exactly it will do? Allure generate when we'll hit the Allure generate report after executing the test cases, what exactly will do? It will generate one Allure result. It will create the Allure result folder and it will keep all the pass fail result in the Allure results folder. It will execute, it will create automatically. If you don't have this Allure result, it will create automatically. After that, what will do? It will this Allure report should be in your framework. So what exactly it will do? I will just convert this file from reports to Allure hyphen report. So that after creating the Allure result, it will store in Allure report. Okay, it will store the report because it will create the result, but it will create the report that will show. Okay, and after that, if you want to open that manually also you can report. Otherwise, there is one more command is there, that is uh, allure. This is your choice. You can give anything allure open. So this is I'm giving because this will be named properly understandable. Okay. So what it will do, it will allure open. Where is the where is your report actually? Underside Allure report, right? Allure open. I will copy this Allure report. Okay, perfect. So I have to add one comma over here. So let's execute the test case first. Okay. So simple npm run test. First this will execute. The one test case will successfully open and it will pass. Great. Right now just show, just look into this folder structure. One Allure result folder will get created over here. Okay, npm run, because the reason why, because this custom script is there, because every time I cannot run this long command, right? So to overcome that, they have given this feature npm run allure hyphen generate. So it will create an Allure result folder. See, you can see it, Allure result. Okay, okay. Playwright framework is this report successfully generated on Allure report. So if you can see, report is already there and the result is also there, index HTML. So if we'll go to, so what it will do, I will go to the framework structure. Where is our framework? Under the automation, Playwright POM framework, right? And Allure report, and this is the index.html. Okay, so this is the complete report we have. No, not this one, I guess. Okay, let's see. See, so this is the test case that we have generated. If it is one test cases and 100% login spec.js, what are the steps? So before hooks navigate to the client, fill this, click locator, wait for the load state not to idle, expect to have URL. So this is all test case that we have. Okay. So this is how you can create a complete framework using all the folder structure. So as part of this, we learned this reporting format, what is the data, what is fixture, what is this pages, and what are the significance of creating a pages, and test, util, report, environment, everything we learned, right? So this is how you can create a complete framework using Playwright, using JavaScript from scratch. So I will also upload few videos which will enhance few more things into this test case. Okay, so let's do one modification over here as well. We'll go to playwright config.js, and you know that we have to suppose whenever we execute any test cases, we have some timeout for each and um, every steps of the execution. So if you put any time, suppose I can say 40,000. Okay. So what it exactly it will do, whenever your test case will execute step by step, it will, if it is failed, then it will wait 40,000 before giving you a timeout or file a timeout, that timeout issue. And for each assertion, we can also add that same amount of timeout, that is expect timeout. Okay. So this is how you can put this to timeout. So this timeout is whenever you have five steps of test case, and for each step, one test case like one step will execute. If that is not working because of any XYZ issue, then it will wait 40,000 of time. And expect is if your any assertion is failing, then it will wait 30,000, but that means 30 seconds. This is millisecond. Okay, so it will wait 30 seconds to uh, it will wait 30 seconds before it will give you any error. Okay, so these are some few enhancement that you can do in your framework. Okay, so that's all for this complete framework, and I might add few more videos with some enhancement. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.